Hey there, medical bills are confusing on purpose. You get a bill, then an insurance statement, then another bill, and you're never quite sure what you actually owe or whether you've hit your deductible yet. Let me walk you through the medical and healthcare expense tracker, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it. Start on the Instructions tab. It gives you the order. Enter your insurance details first, then log every expense as it happens, and the rest of the tabs do the math. 10 minutes when a bill arrives, and you'll always know where you stand. The dashboard is your whole year on one screen. Total healthcare costs, what insurance paid, your out of pocket, and critically, your deductible and out of pocket max with how much you've met. This is the number everyone wants and nobody can find. The Navarro family has met a big chunk of their deductible after a knee surgery. Insurance overview is your one-time setup. Plan name, policy number, your deductible, your out-of-pocket maximum, and every copay. We entered a Blue Cross PPO, a $3,000 individual deductible, and an $8,000 out-of-pocket max. Enter it once, and every other tab pulls from it. The medical expense log is the engine. Every visit, one row, date, family member, provider, what was billed, what insurance paid, your copay, and what applied to your deductible. 14 visits logged here. The out-of-pocket cost and your running annual total calculate automatically, so that scary deductible number on the dashboard is always current. The Deductible Tracker answers the single most important question in American healthcare. How close am I to meeting my deductible and my out-of-pocket max? It pulls from the expense log and shows the amount met, the amount remaining, and a percentage. Once you hit these, your costs change completely. The HSA and FSA Tracker keeps your tax-advantaged account straight. Your HSA contribution room, your current balance, and separately your FSA balance with that use it or lose it deadline. We've got $2,000 in the FSA with a March deadline, so there's $640 they need to spend before they lose it. The prescriptions tab tracks every medication, dosage, pharmacy, monthly copay, refill date, and the annual cost, which it calculates for you. 5 prescriptions here across the family. When you see the annual cost of a brand name drug written out, that's often when you call about a generic. The provider directory is your medical address book. Every doctor, their specialty, whether they're in-network, their copay, and your next appointment. In-network is the column that saves you money, because out-of-network is where surprise bills come from. Now the tax deductions tab, which most people don't realize they can use. Medical expenses above 7.5% of your income may be tax deductible. Enter your income and it calculates your threshold, sorts your spending into IRS categories, and tells you your potential deduction. With a surgery this year, the Navarros clear that threshold. Family expenses breaks the whole year down by person, total billed, insurance paid, and out-of-pocket for each family member, and their share of the household total. When you're deciding on next year's plan, this tells you who's actually driving your costs. And the EOB log is the one that catches billing errors. EOB stands for Explanation of Benefits, the statement insurance sends. Log it next to your bill, and the template flags whether they match. Look, one row here is flagged as a billing error. Physical therapy billed for 7 sessions when only 6 happened. That's $90 you get back just for checking. That's the whole system. 11 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description.